Well, hello, hello, hello. My name is Donna, and this is my channel called Drafting with Donna. Today, this video is going to go over how to check your volume. Um, I teach part-time at a local college, and SolidWorks is one of those classes right now. So I usually give you a volume to be able to double check yourself before you turn in your assignments. You may need it for various other reasons, but in this case, this is why you need to know what it's for, just to be able to double check yourself. All right. So in a previous video, I showed you how to activate multiple different tabs. So I'm going to link that above in the video if you haven't watched that yet, because in this case, you do need the evaluate tab. So once you have that active, you're going to go over here and you're going to click on mass properties. All right. So what does that do? It gives you a bunch of information. All you need, though, is the volume. All right. So for this assignment, which is the adjuster in chapter 2, I gave you the volume of 15.606, right? Well, mine says 15.6. So how are we going to fix that? How do we get it to show what the information we need? I'm just going to exit out of it. I'm going to come over here and change my units. Okay. Now, well, these are already three decimal places, but guess what? Mass section properties is only at one. So I'm going to change this to three decimal places because that's what I need, right? Just going to click OK, right? Now we're going to go back to mass properties. Bam, 15.606 cubic inches. What does that tell me? My model is 100% correct. All right. Now, granted, technically your model can be correct in volume, but incorrect. Okay. If I go through and I change this dimension, right? So it's at 1.25 now. If I change it to 1.5, right, and I go back to mass properties, it's still 15.606. Doesn't make it right, right? So you still want to make sure you double check all your dimensions and that everything's good, which any good drafter will do that anyway. You double check, triple check. You know, if you're doing something on an assembly line, a big difference like that could cost a lot of money. So make sure you're always double checking all your dimensions. You're double checking yourself on the volume. Everything's good. All right. And that's it. That's how you find out. You're good to go, and then you're good to submit. If you got any other questions, just shoot me an email. If there's other videos you want to see, let me know. And thank you for watching. Y'all have a good night, and don't forget to like and subscribe.